camera.
Sau E Siva!
Sau E Siva!
Sau E Siva!
Talafalava, my name is Choi Tuua, and we're at Mangere Arts Centre, and we're here for Sau E Siva 2014. Woo! What we did, we took traditional Samoan dancing and just contemporized it up with our flavor and with our era. Just over the past 3 weeks, we've been taking these non-Samoans and Samoan kids to learn Pacific dancing, especially Samoan dancing. Some of them just had a pinch of Samoan in them and just wanted to experience that side of their heritage.
Okay, here we go.
I've learned heaps about my culture through this. I mean, I was considered plastic, so it's great to know that I learned stuff about like whakopaki, so that's like the Samoan slap dance. I hardly ever do any stuff that represents my culture. I mean, every time I dance, it's mainly like hip-hop stuff. And so tonight, it's pretty special because my parents and dad will be here. I'm trying to bring a smile to their face, show them that I know that I'm not plastic.
It's quite different from Polyfest. There's no competitive vibe here, so it's great to just showcase culture and actually be proud of it without having to sacrifice cultural value for entertainment at Polyfest.
The dances was amazing, the singing, the movement and the blend of contemporary and what looked like traditional movement was really cool just to see them even using the flavour from New Zealand and their current environment mixed with their heritage.
My favourite dance was the salsa. I just love the rhythm to it and just the excitement that comes out of it.
My favourite would be the ma'ulu. Just their joy and the beauty they carry. It takes a lot to get that grace as well as the elegance in the movement. So yeah, it was awesome.
The Beyonce one, that was my favourite one. Yeah, he was amazing because he comes to college. My favorite.
No, you were amazing. No, sis. You're amazing. No, sis. Oh, we're amazing.
The show was pretty cool. They said it was different to Polyfest, and it definitely was.
Important to know your Siva Samoa and to show our history and our older people. We know our own culture and we still live it till now.
There's only one reason why we do this, and it's the passion that drives us. It drives, it drives, it drives. Thanks to him, thanks to you, thanks to her, and definitely thanks to you. Hey!